Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Subscribe to Save order for the month of December. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have products for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. So I am signed up to be on the Young Living Subscribe to Save plan, where you spend at least $50 on Young Living products each month, and you can go in and change the products each month, and you can change the date that they're being shipped to you. And so that allows me to earn points back towards free products. And so I've been doing that for over 6 years. I think this might be my 7th year of being on what used to be called the Essential Rewards Program, but now it's called Subscribe and Save. So each month I go in and I change the products that I'm going to have sent to me based on what my family needs. And so each month it's usually a combination of personal care products, supplements, essential oils, and things like that. So this is a smaller order because in December I scale back a little bit since we have Christmas and everything going on. But in January I'll pick back up on trying some of the newer products that I haven't tried before. And so we're going to get into the box to see what I got for this month. Got my packing slip. I'm going to set that to the side. Got my packing paper. And the first thing that I see is let me set my box to the side real quick. The first thing I see is the NingXia Red packets. And so NingXia Red is a very popular Young Living product. It comes in bottles, but it also comes in packets. And during the winter months, they suggest that you order the packets to keep from having any kind of glass breakage during shipment and the bottles freezing during shipment during the winter months. And so I ordered a 30 count packet of the NingXia Red. This is a great supplement. You only have to take about 1 to 2 ounces each day, and so you can see the packets look like this. Each packet has 2 ounces in it. My daughter likes to have these. She just likes the taste of NingXia Red, and it's really a fruity drink that she doesn't eat a lot of fruit, so this is a good way for me to get some of that vitamin C and things like that in her that she doesn't normally eat on a regular basis. So what I really like to do is during the winter months, I'll get the packets, but I will pour them into a bottle so I can pour myself just 1 ounce. I don't need a full packet. I just take 1 ounce daily. And like I said, my daughter likes these. She likes me to freeze them so that they become like a NingXia Red popsicle. And I like to pour it into a small shot glass, about 1 ounce. And I like to add some of the Vitality essential oils. And so basically the Vitality essential oils are the white labeled essential oils that are designed and labeled for internal consumption. So you can add these essential oils to food and drink recipes. You can make your own supplements. And like I said, I like to add about 4 drops to 1 ounce of NingXia Red each day to help support my health and wellness. So let me tell you a little bit more about the NingXia Red. It says, for more than 700 years, the northwest region of China, known as Ningxia, has earned a reputation for producing and cultivating premium wolfberries, also known as goji berries. Wolfberries have a rich nutritional profile. NingXia Red is our powerful superfruit supplement designed to energize, fortify, and revitalize the body and mind. This delicious proprietary blend features pure essential oils, NingXia wolfberry puree, and other superfruits to supply the body with vital phytonutrients. Now, like I said, on a regular basis, I'll order the 2-pack bottles. Sometimes I'll order the combo pack, which is 2 bottles and a 30 count of the packets like I have here right now. In the 2-pack bottle description, it says NingXia Red is a healthy daily supplement beverage that contains whole NingXia wolfberry puree, a superfruit blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, and plum juices, natural stevia extract, grape seed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. And it suggests that you drink 2 fluid ounces 2 times daily, but I just do the 1 ounce each day with a couple drops of the Vitality essential oil that I'm choosing to have for that day. I tend to use the grapefruit vitality to help support weight loss goals and things like that. It's the new year and it's time to get back on track. So I'm using the grapefruit vitality essential oil in my NingXia Red. Some of my other favorite vitality oils to put in NingXia Red are orange is a great one, especially if you're looking for some added vitamin C. Lime's a good one. You can use citrus fresh. If you're looking for something a little spicy, you could do a thieves vitality. So you can basically put in any of the vitality essential oils that you want. It is a super fruity drink, so I tend to lean towards the citrus vitality essential oils to go into my NingXia Red. But that's a really good one to help support your health and wellness. All right, next in the box is one of the bath and shower gels. This is the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. This is one that I like to rotate. I usually order a bath and shower gel monthly, and I rotate between the lavender and the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. This one is great during the winter months because it's got that cooling, kind of invigorating scent to it. It says infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And I just love Young Living bath and shower gels. And then last but not least, I have one little tube. And normally tubes have essential oils, but this one has a go-to favorite of my husband's. And if you watch any of my videos, I bet you can guess what's in this. It is his favorite, the Shutran Beard Oil. And so he loves this Shutran Beard Oil because he says it makes his beard feel very soft and it makes it have a nice sheen to it. So he uses this every day. And so I pretty much have had to start ordering it monthly to make sure that he has enough. About one bottle lasts him about a month, so I order it monthly for him. The Shutran Beard Oil has the Shutran essential oil blend in it. And so I'm going to read to you what's in that. They have a whole Shutran line for men, and we've really only used the beard oil, but I really think he would like some of the other products as well. So the Shutran Essential Oil Blend, it says an empowering essential oil blend specially formulated for men to boost feelings of masculinity and confidence. Shutran is perfect for use as a cologne that appeals to both men and women. And the ingredients are Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. And I can tell you, it does smell really, really nice. Now the beard oil, it says Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil Blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And it says, use the dropper to dispense a dime-sized amount of oil into the palm of your hand. Gently work the oil into your facial hair. Groom and style your facial hair as normal. Rinse excess oil from your hands with warm, soapy water. So like I said, this is a small order this month because we wanted to scale back for Christmas, but I love Young Living products. They help support my family's health and wellness, and you can feel good about them being clean and safe and non-toxic and things like that. If you're looking for a way to support your health and wellness, I would highly suggest checking out Young Living's products. If you have any questions about the items that I received in my box for this month, let me know. And I will leave my membership number in the description box below. You do not have to be signed up for the Subscribe to Save program to order Young Living products. You can use my membership number and just go in and order 1 or 2 products so you can try them for yourself. And until next time, bye guys.